Hello, good everybody. Today we have this algebra, so we're going to solve this real quick. So here we have, it said if s plus 2 in bracket everything raised to power 2 equals what? 49. Find s. So what we're going to do right here, I'm going to repeat the question and we solve, right? So here I have s open bracket close bracket s open bracket and s plus 2 close bracket raised 7 to what? Power 2 equals 49, right? We proceed. So yeah, what we're going to have right here, I'm going to what? Make the power to form a square root of what? Upon 49, right? Upon 49, right? So we proceed. I have x plus 2 equals square root of what? 49, right? So here we have x plus 2 equals square root of 49 is going to be what? Plus or minus 7, right? When you punch your calculator, that's what you're going to have. So here I'm going to repeat the question right here. I'm going to repeat this place right here. I have s plus 2 equals plus or minus 7, right? So what we're going to do right here, I'm going to what? Partition the board or divide it into 2, because we're going to have what? 2 answers that are going to what? Satisfy this equation, right? So here we have x. So this right here, this 2 right is going to cross the equality sign. When it crosses, it's going to be what? Negative. S equals minus 2. So I'm using the plus first, right? S equals what? Minus 2 plus 7, right? Or the second one, I'm going to use what? The minus, right? So this is always what? Negative. This 2 is always negative, because when it crosses the equality sign, it's going to what? Negative, right? So I have, or s equals minus 2 minus 7, right? So the first one, so s equals minus 2 plus 7, that's going to give us what? Plus 5, because you are owing 2, you are having 7. When you pay the 2 you are owing, you're going to be having what? You're going to be what? Left with what? 5, right? So let's proceed. S equals what? 5. This is one of the answers, right? Or we're going to have s equals minus 2 minus 7. You are owing 2 and you are also owing 7. So what you're going to have altogether right now is going to be what? Negative 9, which is minus 9, right? S equals minus 9. So these are the 2 answers that satisfy this equation. Thank you for watching. Please endeavor to subscribe, like, and share. If there's any comment, leave it at the comment section below. Thank you.